Do yourself a favour, get yourself subscribed to the Eyes of Owen.
Owen, I love you too much. Huh? I love you long time. You forget me.
So I'm in Hungry Hippo. Thank you. That's the menu. $2.99. Hungry Hippo. Got myself Sprite. And got myself a Mega Mix grill. Can you see it on the door there? 249 baht. As you can see, everything here is clearly marked. The aircon's fantastic, nice and cool. And the choice of the menu is absolutely amazing. It's an outdoor seating area and obviously an indoor seating area that you can see on the walls, got ice cream, everything you want. Look at that, you cannot complain with that, can you? Chips, gammon, steak, sausage, pork, 2 eggs, tomatoes, peas and gravy. It looks absolutely delicious, well cooked, and I can't wait to get stuck into this. 249 baht. All the condiments you want, mustard, vinegar, ketchup, salt, pepper, everything you want, all in there. Toothpick. Absolutely fantastic. Not just saying, this is the best meal I've had in Thailand. Even better than the pork chop I had in Thailand. Fantastic. Chicken. Everything cooked to perfection. Tasty gravy, onion gravy. Hungry Hippo, drive the car. Hungry Hippo, 10 out of 10. Aircon, 2 floors.
Alright.
Fantastic menu. Cooked to perfection. Brilliant. Absolutely stunningly brilliant. Home sweet home, Owen. Now then, where are we? As I'm on my own now, for the last 4 days of my trip, gonna head up to Terminal 21, get some nice Thai food, then I'm gonna make my way down the beach and do a little bit of sunset photography, capture some nice images, have a little bit of a walk around, and then head back into somewhere in the centre and have a few. Oh sorry, he nearly run me foot over then, that guy, but it was very polite. And head back into the centre and have a few beers, see what happens. It's just after about 4:30 p.m. in Pattaya. We've got a bit of a blockage here on Diana with that wagon reversing into there, but I'm going to scoot round the outside. If I can get through it, no, I can't get through, it'd be too quick for me. Be patient, Owen, be patient. Look at that. I'm through. I'm away. Right, what I've got here is som tam Thai, some sticky rice, some jade noodles with crispy belly pork and a palm sugar drink, all for 40, 80, 90 105 baht. £2. Right, my jade noodles and crispy pork. Spring onions and probably cabbage. Absolutely delicious. And my favourite som tam Thai. A little bit sticky rice. Stupendous. So listen here. Can I put my arm round you?
Yeah.
Leo's number one.
Thank
Okay,
you.
thank you. Whoa. Okay, thank you.
Thank you. Thank you.
Okay. She's gone through my pocket. Thank you. Oh, 3 of them. Thank you. Oh, cheers. Talk to you, Cap. Well done. Oxley, you think you're a swinger, right? You've got no chance. Me know's going to put you to shame. We're going that way. This way, Oxley. I'm walking around Pattaya. Nothing's the same for one day running. You look in a bar one day, there's a line up of girls, go the next day, they're not even there. It's weird, but what I'm going to do, a consistent thing, I'm going to get myself some chicken noodle soup. I've walked past 2 McDonald's and I'm really proud of myself, and I've got ginger hair for some reason. I've walked past 3 ladyboy bars. Walked past 3 ladyboy bars. I'm not into them, so walk past them. Hey, Owen. Darling, where are we? I'm in Pattaya, and I'm tired of going past bar after bar after bar, girl after girl after girl, dink after dink after dink. So I've come for my favourite thing in Pattaya. Well, one of them anyway. You know, some chicken noodle soup. The end of the soy made in Thailand. And I'm going to show you the food cart now. It's absolutely alright, Mac. So there it is. 50 baht. Massive baht. So you get your noodle soup, your veg, and all your condiments. 50 baht, about £1.15. I'm going to enjoy this. I'll see you in a bit. Real Thailand. Thailand how it used to be.
Why you won't make me do?